Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss the second problem of AtCoder beginner contest 339, which is Langton's Takahashi. So what is the problem? We are given a grid with H rows and W columns. Initially all cells are painted whites. Now dot means that the cell is painted white and hash means that the cell is painted black. Initially all cells are white. Now we are at one index 1, 1 facing upwards. Now what we will do, we will print the color of each cell. We will invert the color of each cell. Initially all the cells are white, so let's say we are at 1 comma 1, so we will invert the color of this cell to black. Now if the current cell is painted white, we will repaint it black, right? And rotate 90-degree clockwise and move forward one cell in the direction he is facing, right? So let's take the first example to understand it better. So initially we are at the top cell, right? So we will move the cell. This is white, so we'll move the make the cell black. So this is black in the next operation. Now initially we are facing upwards. Okay, initially we are facing upwards, but as the cell is painted white, we will we will rotate 90-degree clockwise. So now our face will be at the right side. Now we will move one cell to the right. Now we will be at the second cell. Second cell is also painted white, so we'll make it black, and we'll move 90-degree clockwise. So we are facing right. Now we'll face what? We will face down. So we'll move to this cell, third cell, this cell. Now again this cell is white, so we'll make it black, and we'll rotate 90-degree clockwise. Now after 90-degree rotation, we'll be moving, we'll be at facing the left side. Now after making this cell black and we are facing the left side, we'll move to the one cell to the left. So now we'll be at this cell. Now again we'll make this cell black, right? And we'll rotate 90-degree clockwise, which and then again we'll be moving upwards. Okay, now we'll be at this cell. Now this cell is black. Now we have to make it white. Now if the cell is black, we have to rotate 90-degree counterclockwise. So now we'll rotate 90-degree counterclockwise. Now we'll be facing down again. So we'll be at this cell now. Okay, I hope you get it. Now we will be having the H, W and N, and we have to make the state of the cell, print the cell state of the cell after the N operations. Now I hope you understood how the final state of the cell is like this. Initially the cell of the state is all whites. Now how we can solve this problem? So the problem is quite straightforward because it is the second problem, but there is one interesting observation that will make this problem quite simple to you. The algorithm will be same, right? The algorithm will be same. What will be the algorithm? Well, let's say we will have two positions, let's say x comma y, and we will also be having some direction in which we are facing. Okay, in which we are facing. Now what we will do, we will iterate over n. So we will iterate for I from 1 to n. What will we do? We'll check, we'll invert the cell. So invert, so our algorithm, let me write the algorithm in text format. So our algorithm will be for I in 1 to n, what to do? Invert s of x comma y, right? Invert s of x comma y. Now we have to change x. We'll change the direction first. To change direction according to s of xy, because if we are at some white cell, we have to rotate clockwise. If the cell is black, we have to rotate counterclockwise. So change the direction according to s of xy. And what is the third condition? Third condition is move one cell in desired direction, right? Direction. So this will be nothing but x will be x plus direction of 0 if our direction is a 2D array, and y will be y plus direction of 1. Okay, so let me write what could be our direction values, right? So what could be our direction values? Initially when we are facing upwards, the direction value will be what? Direction value will be upwards. That means the row value will decrease, so it will be -1 0 for up, and direction will be what for down? The down it will be 1 comma 0 for down. Now direction will be minus 1 0 comma minus 1 for what? 0 comma minus 1 for left, and direction will be 0 comma 1 for right. Okay, now the rest of the algorithm is quite straightforward, because I have written the algorithm, what is the algorithm is. But the most not difficult but most troublesome part is to change direction according to s of x comma y. Okay, that is one difficult part, because we have to check that we are moving for every condition, every direction, and for every possible value of s x comma y. So there are four possible values, and 4 into 2 we have to make some map of transitions from one direction to another direction, right? So we can make it simpler, right? How? Let's say we are moving some in the upward direction. Now if we are moving we are rotating clockwise, we'll move to rightward direction. Now if we move again 90-degree clockwise, we will be at our downward position, and if we move again clockwise, we will get our left position, right? Now let's say we store all the direction in an array in this form, right? U R L T. Now initially our pointer will be at upward. Now if we are moving let's say we are moving in the clockwise direction, so we'll move our pointer to the right. Now if we are moving to the anti-clockwise direction, we'll move our pointer to the left. And the rest of the algorithm is quite simple, so I will show you my code. Now the code is also simple. So what is we are taking input h, w and n, and initially we are declaring the state of the board as all whites. Now I have made the direction array. So direction first will be top, then or upward direction. The second one will be for our right, third one will be our down, and fourth one will be our left. Now our direction pointer will be 0, because direction is upward first, right? Now if the current cell is white, then we will move the direction pointer to the right, because we are moving in the clockwise direction. Else we will move our direction pointer to the left, because we are moving in the anti-clockwise direction. Now if direction could be negative also, so we are taking mod here. Now if the current cell is white, we are making it black, else we are making it white similarly. Okay, now we are changing according to the third condition, we are changing the value of current row and current column. And also we have to check that if the current row is less than 0, we have to take the modulo, similarly for current cell also. Okay, I hope you get the solution. I will provide the link of the code in the description box. If you have any doubt in any part of the video, you can write in the comment section. I will try to reply each and every comment. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.